Hello everyone for a new video. In today's video I'll show you how to remove the orange peel, orange peel without sanding. So this is the handle for my car which stopped working, so I had to buy this one from AliExpress. It's a keyless go, but this comes in a black color, so I had to change the color and paint it into my car's color, which is blue. And this is the final result. Basically, you get all this orange peel, which doesn't look nice. So to remove this orange peel, I'll show you without sanding, because if you sand this, because it has all these edges, you're going to take the paint away from the edges. So there's a way to do it without using sanding, and that's by using this. This is an aluminium polish. So I'm going to use this to remove the orange peel, and then I'll use this to make it nice and shine. Let's start. So I'm going to do this section here, and then we'll show the difference with the rest of the handle. So we'll put a little of the polisher. This is aluminium polish on a small tissue. And then grab the handle and just put it on it. Distribute it. And then you need to basically rub it in circular motions. You may need to repeat the process a couple of times if it didn't work the first time. And let's wipe it off with a micro towel. See the difference? This is the orange peel area. And when I move to the area where we polished, it's a bit hazy now. It needs another layer to do. So I'm going to do it again. And I will show you the comparison between the two halves. Okay, so I hope you can see the difference. This is the area where I polished. And then if I move over, you can see the orange peel in this half. Yeah, orange peel, polished area. So I'm quite happy with this. So I don't think you always need to sand these orange peels to get a perfect result. You can just polish it using this aluminium polish and then a fine polish, and that will sort your orange peel problem out. I hope this video helped you. If you liked it, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. And this is the final result. It's all nice and shiny. I'm quite happy with it, the way it turned out. So you don't necessarily need to sand these to get rid of the orange peel. Use this method and you will be happy. Thank you for watching.